Hello, our dear learners! Welcome to our channel. In this video today we are explaining the present perfect continuous tense. Stay with me up to the end of this video and have fun after doing the free grammar quiz to test your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. I start today with an explanation of what the present perfect continuous tense is. This is the tense which is used for actions that start in the past and continue until now. And this tense is focused on the activities rather than the result in the present. To form the present perfect continuous, we use the verb have or has plus been plus the verb with ending ing. For example, I have been playing tennis since this morning. He has been chatting with his friend for 2 hours. As you can see from the examples, the present perfect continuous is about the time, processes, and it loves time indicators for or since, because it shows how long this action is progressing. For is used to show a period of time, and since is used to show the point in the past where the activity started. I have been living in this town since my childhood. So, somewhere in my childhood, I started living in this city, and I'm still. So, in this sentence, I use the present perfect continuous. I have been living in this town for 20 years. In this sentence, I put for to show how long I have been living in the town, and I use the present perfect continuous. He has been working in this company since 2015. So, somewhere in 2015, the person started working in the company, and he is still working there. The activity is not finished, and I use the present perfect continuous. He has been working in this company for 10 years. In this sentence, the person is still working in the company. His action is in a process, and I use the present perfect continuous. Now, here's a question which you might ask your friend. I have not seen you for a while. How have you been doing? In this question, I would like to know activities, things, life in general about my friend. In this sentence, I have not used for or since, but asking questions like this shows my interests, not only now, but also I would like to know some situations which started and continue in my friend's life. But don't forget about verbs which cannot be used in continuous forms. Instead of the present perfect continuous, use the present perfect simple. For example, the verb know. I can't use it in continuous form. So I make a sentence using the present perfect simple tense. For example, they have known each other practically all their life since childhood. The verb be. I can't use it continuous form either here. I can't say they have been together for 20 years. This sentence is incorrect and doesn't make sense. And instead of the present perfect continuous, I use the present perfect simple tense. They have been together for 20 years. More about stative verbs I explained in another video. You can see the link at the end. If you follow the link, you can find more information about stative verbs and when to use them. The present perfect continuous is also used when the action is finished but the result is visible now. We still focus on the activity which led to the result. In other words, the present perfect continuous shows results of the repetitive activity which has finished. For example, the ground looks dry. It has not been raining. In this sentence, we see the result at the present moment, the dry ground, and an activity creating the situation due to the lack of rain. Look at my shoes. They are full of dust. I have not been wearing them since last season. In this sentence, we see the result at present. The shoes are dirty, and we learn why it happened, because I had not been wearing them. I hope this was a helpful explanation, and to check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the quiz with more examples. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next videos. Goodbye!